Hi, friends. This is Dr. Sheila Sapp of Sheila E Cares, and I have another quick tip for you today. Some of you are going to have some new kindergartners, and I know you are excited about them going to kindergarten this year. And I want to show something that you can do to help prepare them for kindergarten. And now this is something that is cost effective, because that's one of the things that I look for when I decide to go to Dollar Tree or Dollar General. I want to show you this book that I purchased called Kindergarten Scholar. And I really like it because it has different skills, reading readiness skills and math skills that your child can do. Very simple. So this only costs $1. So you buy the book, and I happen to have a notebook at home. So what I did was cut off the cover, and I'm going to put that in the front of my notebook. So it looks like this. And I also purchased some sheet protectors from Dollar General, $1. And this is what you will do with it. I went ahead and I cut one of the pages from the Kindergarten Scholar book. And this one is, what do you see? And it tells them to circle the things that are silly. Now, if you purchase spray to remove eraser marks, and if you buy a dry eraser pen, then your child, once you put it in a notebook, so we open the notebook and I will put it in. And in this way, you can recycle this book and use it with the next kindergartner. All right, here they had to circle things that were silly. So I want to show you, for example, here you have a man walking with the tail of maybe a horse or something. So that's silly. So you circle that. And then once they finish working on it, you can check it. And using a napkin or paper towel, once they have finished, it's a matter of wiping it off, and you can use it for the next child. And when I flip it over, here's a page that is on opposites. And what they have to do is draw a line from the picture to its opposite. Like here's slow. And then they draw a line down to the rabbit, which is fast. The opposite of slow is fast. So I just thought this was real neat and very handy for you busy moms and dads and grandmoms and grandpas. This page is on less than. Just to give you some idea of some of the skills, here they talk about bigger. And on this page, smaller. And here they have to find out which things are the same size. And on this page, they make a pair. And let me show you some of the other pages that are in here. Here they have to distinguish something that is on the top and the bottom, and left and right. But the whole thing is, it's already made. It's real simple, and it will take no time to put it together. And it's something that is reusable. All you need is a dry eraser, marker, spray to clean it. You don't necessarily have to buy a notebook, but you may have an old folder at home and sheet protectors. And I would say that you would spend maybe between $5 and $6. So with that, I hope this has given you some ideas, and you can buy these books for any grade level, and they come in handy. And again, they are cheap. So you take care, and don't forget, Sheila E. cares. Bye.